Sadi Gaura Bhattavit. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So we finished reading the 23rd chapter of Canto 9, where we were reading about the dynasty of Yayati. And we heard about Yadu, the dynasty of Yadu, how the lineage is coming along. And in this chapter 24 of ninth canto, the title is Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. So I'll just read a brief summary first by Srila Prabhupada. Vidarbha had three sons named Kush, Krath, and Romapad. Of these three, Romapad expanded his dynasty by the sons and grandsons named Babru, Kriti, Ushika, Chedi, and Chedya, all of whom later became kings. From the son of Vidarbha, named Kratha, came a son named Kunti, from whose dynasty came the descendants named Vrishni, Nirvriti, Dasharha, Vyoma, Jimut, Vikriti, Bhimarat, Navarat, Dasharath, Shakuni, Karambi, Devarat, Devakshatra, Madhu, Kuruvash, Anu, Puruhotra, Ayu, and Satwat. So this is Vidarbha's grandsons. Okay, Satwat had 7 sons. One of them was Devavrat, whose son was Babru. Another son of Satwat was Mahabhoj, by whom the Bhoj dynasty was inaugurated. Another was Vrishni, who had a son named Udhajit. From Udhajit came Anamitra and Shini, and from Anamitra, Anamitra came Nigna and another Shini. The descendants in succession from Shini were Satyak, Yuyudhan, Jai, Kuni, and Yugandhar. Another son of Anmitra was Vrishni. From Vrishni came Shofalka, by whom Akrur and 12 other sons were generated. From Akrur came 2 sons, named Devavan and Upadev. The son of Andhak, named Kukur, was the origin of the descendants known as Varni, Viloma, Kapotaroma, Anu, Andhak, Dundubi, Avidyot, Punarvasu, and Ahuk. Ahuk had 2 sons named Devak and Ugrasen. The 4 sons of Devak were known as Devavan, Upadev, Sudev, and Devavardhan, and his 7 daughters were Dhritadeva, Shantideva, Upadeva, Srideva, Deva Rakshita, Sahadeva, and Devki. Vasudev married all 7 daughters of Devak. Ugrasen had 9 sons named Kams, Sonama, Nyagrodha, Kanak, Shanku, Suhu, Rashtrapal, Drishti, and Tushtiman. And he had 5 daughters named Kamsa, Kamsavati, Kanka, Surabahu, Surabahu, and Rashtrapalika. The younger brothers of Vasudev married all the daughters of Ugrasen. Vidurath, the son of Chitrarath, had a son named Shura, who had 10 other sons, of whom Vasudev was the chief. Shura gave one of his 5 daughters, Pritha, to his friend Kunti, and therefore she was also named Kunti. In her maiden state, she gave birth to a child named Karna, and later she married Maharaj Pandu. Ridha Sharma married the daughter of Shura named Shrutadeva, from whose womb Dandavakar was born. Dishtaketu married Shura's daughter named Shrutakirti, who had 5 sons. Jayasen married Shura's daughter named Rajadhidevi. The son of Chedidesh, Dhamaghosh, married the daughter of Shura named Shrutashrava, from whom Shishupal was born. Devabhag, through the womb of Kamsa, begot Chitraketu and Brahadbal, and Devashrava, through the womb of Kamsavati, begot Suvir and Ishuman. From Kanka, through the womb of Kanka, came Bhakka, Satyajit, and Purujit, and from Srinjay, through the womb of Rashtrapalika, came Brisha and Durmarshana. Shamak, through the womb of Shurabhumi, begot Harikesh and Hiranyaksha. Vatsak, through the womb of Mishrakeshi, begot Brika, who begot the sons named Taksha, Pushkar, and Shala. From Samika came Sumitra and Arjunpal, and from Anaka came Ritadhama and Jaya. Vasudeva had many wives, of whom Devki and Rohini were the most important. From the womb of Rohini, Baladev was born, along with Gada, Sarana, Durmada, Vipula, Dhruva, Krita, and others. Vasudev had many other sons by his other wives, and the eighth son to appear from the womb of Devki was the Supreme Personality of Godhead, who delivered the entire world from the burden of demons. This chapter ends by glorifying the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Vasudeva. So we are hearing the lineage leading up to the appearance of Lord Balaram and Lord Krishna. Very soon coming up. Appearance of Lord Balaram and Lord Krishna. And we heard Sukadev Goswami saying that just hearing about this dynasty is so purifying that our sinful reactions can be burned just by hearing these names, this lineage. Okay, so we'll go text 1, Shri Shukovacha,
श्रीशुक उवाच
Tasyam Vidarbho Janaya,
तस्यां विदर्भो जनयात्
Putrau Namna Kushakrito,
पुत्रौ नाम्ना कुशक्रतौ
Tritiyam Roma Padam Cha,
तृतीयं रोमपादं च
Vidarbha Kula Nandanam.
विदर्भाकुलनन्दनम्.
Translation by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. Sukadev Goswami said, by the womb of the girl brought by his father, Vidarbha begot 3 sons named Kusha, Kratha, and Romapad. Romapad was the favorite in the dynasty of Vidarbha. By the womb of the girl brought by his father. So Vidarbha was the son, right? The father, he had brought the girl, and then his wife got upset. Hey, what you doing? Then he says, oh, this is your daughter-in-law. Then the son was born, Vidarbha, and then he married that girl. And then he's having 3 children. Yeah, that's how it goes. So that's where we finished off in the last chapter, right? So then it's
Yeah.
continuing. Okay. Romapad Soto Babrur,
रोमपादसुतो बभ्रुः
Babro Kritir Ajayata,
बभ्रूर्कृतिरजायत
Ushikas Tatsutas Tasmach,
उशिकस्तत्सुतस्तस्मात्
चेदिश्चेद्यादयो नृपः.
चेदि चेद्य आदयो नृपः.
The son of Romapad was Babru, from whom there came a son named Kriti. The son of Kriti was Ushik, and the son of Ushik was Chedi. From Chedi was born the king known as Chedya and others. Kritasya Kunti Putro Bhud.
कृतस्य कुन्तिः पुत्रो भूत्.
Vrishnistasyath Nirvritihe.
वृष्णीस्तस्याथ निवृत्तिः.
Tato Dasharho Namna Bhud.
ततो दशार्हो नाम्नो भूत्.
Tasya Vyoma Sutastataha.
तस्य व्योमः सुतः सततः.
Jimuto Vikritistasya.
जीमूतो विकृतिस्तस्य.
Yasya Bhima Ratha Sutaha.
यस्य भीमरथः सुतः.
Tato Navaratha Putro.
ततो नवरथः पुत्रो.
Jato Dasharatastataha.
जातो दशरथस्ततः.
The son of Kratha was Kunti. The son of Kunti, Vrishni. The son of Vrishni, Nirvriti. And the son of Nirvriti, Dasharha. From Dasharha came Vyoma. From Vyoma came Jimuta. From Jimuta, Vikriti. From Vikriti, Bhimarat. From Bhimarat, Navarat. And from Navarat, Dasharat.
So now they are telling Shilpaji about the second son, Karth, right?
Right. Yeah.
And before they were telling about Rompad.
Romapad. That's right.
Okay.
Yeah, that's right. Then Krat, and then okay, then Dashrath is still coming from Krat. So then going on. Karambi Shakune Putro.
करम्बीः शकुनेः पुत्रो.
Devaratastatmatmajaha.
देवरातस्तथात्मजः.
Devakshatrastatastasya.
देवशत्रस्ततस्तस्य.
Madhu Kuru Vashad Anuho.
कुरु वश अनाद अनुः. मधु कुरु वशात् अनुः.
From Dashrath came a son named Shakuni, and from Shakuni a son named Karambi. The son of Karambi was Devrat, and his son was Devakshattra. The son of Devakshattra was Madhu, and his son was Kuruvash, from whom there came a son named Anu. Puruhotrastva Anuputras.
पुरुहोत्रस्तु अणो पुत्रस्.
Tasyayu Satvatastatah.
तस्यायु सात्वतस्ततः.
Bhajamano Bhajir
भजमानो भजिर्दिव्यो.
Vrishnir Deva Vrido Andakaha.
वृष्णिर्देवावृदोऽन्धकः.
Satvatasya Suta Sapta.
सात्वस्तस्य सुतः सप्त.
Mahabhojascha Marisha.
महाभोजश्च मारिषः.
Bhajamanasya Nimloche.
भजमानस्य निम्लोचिः.
Kinkano Drishtir Evacha.
किङ्कणो दृष्टिरेव च.
Ekasyam Atmaja Patnyam.
एकस्याम् आत्मजापत्याम्.
Anyasyam Cha Traya Sutaha.
अन्यस्यां च त्रयः सुतः.
Shatajit cha Sahasrajit.
शताजिच्च सहस्राजित्
Ayutajit iti Prabho.
अयूताजित् इति प्रभो.
The son of Anu was Puruhotra. The son of Puruhotra was Ayu. And the son of Ayu was Satwat. O great Aryan, O great Aryan king, Satwat had 7 sons named Bhajaman, Bhaji, Divya, Vrishni, Devavrad, Andhak, and Mahabhoj. From Bhajaman, by one wife came 3 sons, Nimlochi, Kinkana, and Drishti. And from his other wife came 3 other sons, Shatajit, Sahasrajit, and Ayutajit. So 7 sons from 2 wives. Satwat has 2 wives, and that's how these 7 sons are coming. One wife is having these kids, and then the other one is that. Okay, we were reading of Rome, yeah, Roma, but okay, this was still Kratha's uh, lineage, right?
Yeah,
Then
still there.
Babru, yeah, okay. Then Babru Deva Vratsutas.
Brabhrudeva, sorry, Brabhrudeva, oh sorry, Brabhrudeva Vratsutayas.
Tayo Shloko Patanti Amo.
तयोः श्लोको पठनन्तयूम्
Yatheva Shrinumo Durat.
यथैवा शृणुमुदूरात्
Sampashyamstathantikat.
सम्पश्याम्स्तथा अन्तिकात्.
The son of Devavrat was Babru. Concerning Devavrat and Babru, there are 2 famous songs of prayer which were sung by our predecessors and which we have heard from a distance. Even now I hear the same prayers about their qualities, because that which was heard before is still sung continuously. So Devavrat and Prabhu, those, those father and son, they are famous, it seems. Sukadev Goswami is saying there were songs about like prayer, about their qualities. Babru Shreshto Manushyanam.
ब्रभ्रूश्रेष्ठो मनुष्याणाम्
Dever Deva Vrida Samaha.
देवै देव्राद्विदः समः
Purusha Pancha Shastischa.
पुरुषा पञ्चषष्टिश्च
Shat Sahasrani Chashtacha.
सहस्राणि चाष्ट च
Ye Amrit Tattvam Anuprapta.
ये अमृतत्म अनुप्राप्त
Babror Deva Vridadapi.
बभ्रो देवावृदापि
Mahabhojotidhar Matma.
महाभोजोतिधर आत्मा
Bhoja Asamstad Anvaye.
भोजा आसम सद अन्वये.
It has been decided that among human beings, Babru is the best, and that Devavrat is equal to the demigods. Because of the association of Babru and Devavrat, all of their descendants, numbering 14,065, achieved liberation. In the dynasty of King Mahabhoj, who was exceedingly religious, there appeared the Bhoja kings. So Babru is called as the best of human beings. And Devavrat is being said that he's equal to the demigods. And their descendants, because of them, their descendants got liberated. 14,065. Okay. Then Bhoja kings is coming in the dynasty of Mahabhoj. Mahabhoj is extremely religious. Rishne Sumitra Putro Bhut
Vrishni Sumitrah Putro
Yudhajit Cha Parantapa
Yudharjincha Parantapa
Shinistasyana Mitrascha
Shinitasya Mitrascha
Nigno Bhut Anamitrataha.
Nigno Bhutanamitrataha. Shilpaji, just
Okay.
one question. Just one question. So, this is like we were talking about Babru and Devabra, right?
Yes.
Glorifying them both. So, now who is Raja Mahabhoj?
Mahabhoj we had heard earlier going up.
Yeah, we have heard, but
Okay,
I'm just
let's
trying
go
to.
up. Okay, Mahabhoj. So
Oh, it is
Mahabhoj
the.
is also the other son of Satwat,
So, he's the brother of Devabrat,
Devabrat.
right?
Yeah,
The youngest
he's the
brother of
brother.
Devabrat. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, okay.
Sorry.
No, that's okay. O King Maharaj Parikshit, who can suppress your enemies? The sons of Rishni were Sumitra and Yudhajit. From Yudhajit came Shini and Anamitra. And from Anamitra came a son named Nigna. So now these are the sons of Rishni, the other son of Shatwat, right?
Yeah.
That's what we just heard. Devabrat,
Vrishni.
then Mahabhoj,
Okay, yeah,
Vrishni,
there are seven,
the
seven
seven
brothers
sons. Yeah, seven
of
brothers, and then, yeah,
Satwat.
so we are
Okay, Satwat, seven sons. So
Satwat.
we are, okay.
Yeah, so we are hearing about these seven sons now. Satrajita Prasenascha
Satrajitah Prasenascha
Nigna Yastha Satu Suto
Nignas Nastas Nignas Atha Astu Sato
Anamitra Suto Yonyaha
Anamitra Suto Yonyah
Shinistasya Cha Satyakaha.
Shinistasya Sakyakah.
The two sons of Nigna were Satrajit and Prasena. Another son of Anamitra was another Shini, and his son was Satyak. Yuyudhana Satyakirvay
Yuyudhanah Satyakirve
Jayastasya Kunistataha
Jayastasya Kunistataha
Yugandharo Namitrasya
Yugandharo Namitrasya
Vrishni Putro Parastataha.
Vrishnihi Putro Parastataha.
The son of Satyak was Yuyudhan, whose son was Jaya. From Jaya came a son named Kuni, and from Kuni a son named Yugandhar. Another son of Anamitra was Vrishni. Shafalka's,
Was Vrishni was Satyak Putra, right?
yeah, that's right. And then
Satwat.
along the line, there is another person
Vrishni.
called,
Okay, okay, okay.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Shafalakas Chitrarathascha
Shrafalakat Chitraratha
Gandhinyam cha Shfalkataha
Gandhinyam cha Shrafalkataha
Akrura Pramukha Asan
Akrura Pramukha Asan
Putra Dwadasha Vishrutaha.
Putrah Dwadasha Vishrutaha.
From Vrishni came the sons named Shwafalka, and Chitrarath. From Shwafalka by his wife Gandhini came Akrur. Akrur was the eldest, but there were 12 other sons, all of whom were most celebrated.
So Akrurji is the Akrurji what we hear, right? Who went
I
to
think so, yeah, should be.
yeah.
Yeah, should be.
So now this one we are hearing about the dynasty of Vrishni, right?
This was Vrishni. The
Yeah,
Shvalka.
Vrishni first Sumitra and then Yudhajit, two sons of Vrishni, Sumitra and Yudhajit. Then from them, what would happen, right?
Where is that Yudhajit?
It is said in the 12th translation.
12. Okay.
Yeah, 12th translation. They are saying that Vrishni ke putra
Yeah,
Sumitra
Sumitra and
तथा
Yudhajit. Yeah,
Yudhajit.
so this is
So,
coming from Sumitra and Yudhajit.
so this is the lineage of Vrishni, and from them came Shini, Anmitra,
Yeah,
right? Mm.
that's right. Then Nigna's sons.
And then
Then,
Satraji. We have heard this name, Satraji,
yeah,
right?
that's right.
Satraji. Prasen.
Yeah, that's
So
right.
Vrishni dynasty is going.
Yeah. So we are hearing is all of these are coming from Vidarbha,
Vidarbha.
right? And then Vidarbha, then came Kusha, Krat, and Romapa, then all of these sons then who were coming, right?
Yeah,
And
right.
from Kratha came a son named Kunti, whose dynasty, the descendants named Vrishni, Nivrita, Dashara, Vimuta, Vikriti, Vimana.
Mm.
So,
And
yeah,
in the beginning, we saw that most of them had one son, and then it how got divided
yeah.
quite a
Or
lot
maybe
time.
only the most prominent son was mentioned. I'm not
Mentioned.
sure.
Oh, okay. Yeah, maybe.
Because usually they would have many children, but maybe they had one son, only the prominent son was mentioned. Because
Hmm.
here, then now we are hearing the dynasty of all the children, then, yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
Hmm.
so we'll continue reading about this dynasty tomorrow.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Srimad Bhagavatam ki jai, Srila Prabhupada ki jai, Gaur Bhakta Vrinda ki jai, Hare
Yeah.
Krishna. Thank